1MORE PistonBuds Pro once again presents family-style classic elements to consumers. The noise-canceling performance of PistonBuds Pro is much stronger than that of 1MORE PistonBuds Pro. After comprehensively considering the product strength of 1MORE PistonBuds Pro, I think this earbud is worth recommending. 1MORE PistonBuds Pro innovatively adds a CD textured panel to the top of the charging case. This CD textured panel gives the earphone a more light perception. Under different lighting angles, the panel will show unpredictable textures like a CD. The CD textured panel and the classic solid color design make the charging case of this earbud show the beauty of a simple, but not simple industrial design. The earphone cavity decorative board adopts the plate dip dyeing process, which retains the delicate CD pattern, and this design will not affect the earphone antenna signal. Although this earphone is equipped with an active noise cancelling module, its weight is well controlled, with a single earbud weighing only 4.5 grams. Coupled with ergonomic and ear design, this earbud is very comfortable to wear. Even if you wear it for a long time, there will not be any squeezing or pain in the ear. The battery life is average, yet good enough for average daily use. The PistonBuds Pro delivers up to 5 hours of playtime and 20 hours of comprehensive battery life with active noise cancellation on. When active noise cancellation is turned off, the 1MORE PistonBuds Pro can reach up to a very respectable 7.5 hours of playtime, and the comprehensive battery life can reach 30 hours when used with the charging case. And the earbud supports fast charging for 5 minutes and listening to songs for 1 hour. In addition, 1MORE PistonBuds Pro also supports IPX5 waterproof, so it can be used in sports weather like rain. Call performance and sound transmission delay have always been two major pain points in the use of true wireless headphones, and 1MORE PistonBuds Pro has a good performance in both aspects. PistonBuds Pro uses a single earbud dual microphone plus DNN, Deep Neural Network Learning, intelligent algorithm call solution. The multi-microphone brings more noise data at a physical level, and with intelligent algorithms, the earphones can filter out more noise during calls, thus ensuring that users can get better call quality during use. Due to the limitations of technical specs, true wireless earphones will have some latency in transmitting sound. Under normal circumstances, the latency of most true wireless earphones will be around 150 milliseconds, and 100 milliseconds can achieve non-inductive latency. 1MORE PistonBuds Pro is optimized for mobile game users, and the sound transmission latency is as low as 90 milliseconds. For this purpose, I also tested it with Game for Peace. In the game, the sound in the game screen will not appear out of sync, and you can get a very good gaming experience. 1MORE PistonBuds Pro equipped with Bluetooth 5.2 technology. Pairing is very smooth and simple, and the connection can be realized by opening the cover. The touch mode of the earphone is the touch operation on both sides. Regarding its QuietMax doubly fed active noise cancelling performance, it brought me a huge surprise. I have worn it in and out of various public places, shopping malls, supermarkets, vegetable markets, and streets. Its noise cancelling can basically cope with most daily environments. The noise cancelling amplitude of QuietMax double-fed active noise cancellation can reach -38 decibel, which will not bring any strange feeling to your hearing. If the headphones are muted, you will hear a little bit of noise around you, but as long as the music in the headphones sounds, the whole world will immediately quiet down, except for the music, only you. 1MORE PistonBuds Pro's newly upgraded 10mm full-range aviation titanium dynamic driver follows the aviation titanium metal composite diaphragm of the classic PistonBuds, which highly restores the charm of the scene. Solid bass, full vocals and rich details, precision acoustic design brings a wide sound field, and a clear and balanced hearing. 1MORE PistonBuds Pro has a sense of volume in the low-frequency part that can satisfy the R&B and hip-hop music styles. After the noise-canceling mode is turned on, its algorithm can also greatly avoid the negative pressure and noise floor caused by active noise cancelling. Of course, if you don't like the default sound style of 1MORE PistonBuds Pro, you can adjust the sound style of the headphones in the 1MORE Music app. The app provides 12 sets of style sound effects carefully adjusted by SonarWorks to meet the different listening habits of users, allowing users to find the sound they want. The PistonBuds Pro actually does what it's supposed to do as a pair of mid-range earbuds. It has decent build quality, excellent noise cancelling, and sound quality, and it offers a low latency mode that can handle most games. If you are looking for third-party noise cancelling earbuds, instead of picking some unknown brand copycat, you can get the 1MORE PistonBuds Pro. With these earbuds, you at least know that you'll get good build quality and reliable support and service. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, share the video with your friends. Just hit the subscribe button, and most importantly, have an awesome day. See you.